Alright guys, what's up? As you can see from the title, this is how you make the most money in New Mining Update, and this is actually insane. If you get if you have more than one person, you can get like 10k per run. It's insane.
If you do really good, you just have to get like a lot.
And yeah, if you have like a backpack, you can get over 1,000, more than 1,000 though, like 5k. Me and my friend, just two of us. It was one full backpack, or not full, because we had some other things in the backpack. A big backpack, and it sold for 5,000. And they just sold from their run, and they got 10k. So we're gonna be showing you guys that today. Sorry, and yeah, let's go.
Today's Mr. Booby.
Oh, here we have Mr. Dinosaur, guys.
Hey, fatty! Why don't you go lose some weight? Hey, so.
Oh snap! I think.
Yeah, watch! I'm gonna dunk on you! Oh, get dunked on!
Okay,
Oh!
he's got dunked.
He got dunked on.
Guys, just go straight forward.
Crazy. I dunked on.
Go straight forward.
There's an angler.
So guys, you just go forward, and you make it. 2, as you can see.
Bro, Ray gun is so OP.
Haunted Mansion. Right here, we're in Haunted Mansion.
If you have ray gun and you have it, you switch it to the blue mode, fully charge it and shoot it, you just go to Haunted Mansion immediately. But the layout's gonna change every week or so it's not always gonna be forward,
Hold on,
but yeah, it's really OP.
This is the spot where you can get the most money, I think, in the Haunted Mansion. You've known it before. They changed it a bit. Now you have to mine them.
Oh, go.
Yeah, so you're gonna need any type of pickaxe for this.
Yeah, any type of pickaxe.
Let's check this spot where we found it every time. Oh yeah, we went to the right, and then we found it across lava parkour in the corner. I think it's not this house. Next one. No, not this one. No, not this one. This one. No, not this one.
What?
Key! Oh!
Yeah, as you guys can see, we got lucky, and you guys, grappler also helps. Anything better than normal things helps. There's some normal stuff. So you want to go back to the door, right?
Alright guys. Go back to the door. That was actually really fast. It might take you guys longer.
Go over here.
I'm gonna be mining in this video, and Brody and Mr.
Let's go, guys.
Alright. Like a haunted girl, even if you're not in Haunted Mansion, I think it happened to you and Trevor.
As you can see, we have all these ores here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my bag. I think
I'm gonna... Pardon, he almost killed me.
He's going to mine, and...
I'm sorry, I tried to put my bag. Oh, damn, this is a lot of... It's a good thing, guys. Alright, so... the one thing I don't like is that sometimes it just goes flying like that. Yeah. Kind of.
Damn it.
Yeah, see, like that one.
That's annoying.
Don't worry, there's gonna be a ton of extreme. It is extremely annoying. That's why I just put my backpack above it.
Here, I think I might go do it by myself over here, because it seems like you guys are doing pretty good.
Put it right there.
I think we're in... Please
Yeah,
stay.
you gotta mine it down to one hit, then like tap it. Yeah, that's you guys wanna hit it, and then you wanna wait a second, then tap it like, and then it just like doesn't really go. Or we just got like,
Hit it once and then tap it lightly.
not,
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but...
you know, Brody, you get it down to one hit, and then you like tap it, and then it won't like go.
guys do not want to pick these up too. I forgot to mention, do not pick these up. You will. Oh my God,
Yeah,
let's
there's
go.
stairs.
Let's go. I got my grab here. It's down here. Do not try not to drop yourself, but since you know, I drop all my stuff. And try not to die, but I know if you don't have a grappler, then it's gonna be kind of difficult. That's why grapplers are so good. They're just so, like, just insanely good. Can I just drop my pickaxe? Holy. Set up. Oh.
Yeah, you didn't know if you grab the corrupted crystal, it flips.
Oh, wait. Bam. Minus. Okay. Pop that here. Oh my God, I am actually cooking by myself right here. Alright. I think we can grab these ones right here. Okay. Bam. These are all respawning, which is good.
After red crystals,
No! Is it full? I think it's full, guys.
God damn it, yeah, I don't think we're... I got it,
I filled my backpack up with only ores. Oh my God. That was...
Yeah, we kinda choked.
Don't worry, I filled my backpack up with only ores. It's crazy.
Wait up.
Where are you guys?
I'm coming back to tell because, yeah. Yeah, we did kind of choke though. I accidentally fell while trying to get an ore.
Woo! Just like that, guys, I am back, but I'm a big back because I have so
You
much.
can get way more money than
Oh.
you probably do. That's still kind of a lot.
Hold on, guys.
Yeah.
I have
I
my
mean, this is a good
my backpack's full. Ugh, I can't move.
It is, but
Ugh.
hold
on.
Here, let me take it. No, let me do it. Hold up, open it. No, hold up, open it and drop it. Open it and drop it.
No.
Open it and drop it.
Oh,
No, I can put it on my ray gun. It makes it so there's no weight.
No, it doesn't matter. Fill it up. We're making like.
Oh my god, my. Alright, so.
Alright, guys, look at this.
My ears are. Oh, watch out. Yeah, we're gonna make a lot of money, guys. This is at least 10K.
I cooked. Bro, I
least 10K. At least this is banana 10K. Cooked. At least 10K. Exactly. We choked though.
You guys
Yeah,
choked.
these cards choked. Oh my god.
Bam! Look at
10K.
that.
See,
10,000.
you can get 10K literally just 10K. From doing that method, and that's one full backpack and a little more. In 2 runs we got 20K.
Yeah.
In
If
2
you guys,
runs we got 20K.
I'm
Think
saying
about
you
that.
could get over 200,000 in like an hour. Over. If you guys have like all the equipment we have, and you guys do this consistently
Like, if you-
fastly, I'm saying
probably
maybe
not,
like 150,000 hours.
No, probably like at least 100,000 because the runs can take like sometimes long. So if you're
So if
like,
these
you
take
get,
like 10
some
minutes
runs,
each.
like,
No, it's because
we got lucky on
the key
spawn. The key spawn was lucky. Yeah, the key spawns can sometimes mess you up.
The key
But that's
spawn
like
depends on luck. But
Yeah.
once you get into the heart, it's so easy to just get all the money.
I hope
And
you
if
guys
can
enjoyed
go down.
the video. As you can see, I have my new character, and he's stuck opening his mouth.
No, Blueberry! Not end the video yet! We need to end it off with Blueberry. Hold up, everybody!
Blueberry
No,
right there.
everybody go right there! Everybody go right there, this is how we're ending the video.